Hey guys, it's been a while since I've made a video, and today I'm going to go ahead and make a video on spinning a deer antler, and I have a little burr here that's a short cut off. On the lathe we're going to spin it and we're going to make a spin top, and I've done this a few times now, and actually they turn out really nice and they're well balanced. So if you want to try something fun and something new, go ahead and try spinning a little bit of the deer antler. But today we'll go ahead and do that, and I'll show you. So let's get started. Okay, what I did here is I glued this antler to a waste block with a lot of hot glue, and you want to come up onto the antler and use a lot of glue to hold it in place. And then I've got this over here just to hold it until I can get this cleaned up. And I'm using these easy wood tools, and this is the detailer. And then I also have a finisher here. They seem to work really well because they're small, and you don't want to use large tools on the antler or it'll pull it right off. But you also want to use high RPMs. So you can see it cleans it up pretty quick. Clean up this edge here and then I'll come across. Okay, a little bit more here. This is going to be a small top, I can tell already, but okay. I just got to clean up around here and then bring it around to the front. This is a little small top here, pretty small. Okay. Doesn't look bad. Now I just got to sand on it. So that's not bad. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and polish it up, and then I'll come back and show it to you and spin it for you guys. Alright guys, so that was spinning deer antler on the lathe, and this is my final, the one I just made, and you can see how it spins here. It actually spins pretty well. Once, if I'm not moving, it'll stop and just stand straight up. And see if I can't drop this on the ground here. There we go. It also spins upside down. So again, there's other things you can do with Antler. This is kind of fun. I just figured this one out the other day when I was doing stuff. You know, I do make a lot of whistles and carvings, and I made a lot of things out of Antler, but this is a new one I tried, and actually it worked out pretty great. As long as you're using it at high RPMs on the lathe and using very sharp tools and small tools, not large gouges or anything. I guess I even tried to skew and it didn't work real well for me, just because these are so small. Some of the other ones I made recently are here, all different designs, all pretty nice, different styles, and again they all work really well. And I guess with the Antler, it's heavy, it's dense, as long as you're using it by the burr, and they spin true. So it's actually fun to make all different kind of tops, different styles. And I do sell these on my website, and it's on the Etsy site. It's www.etsy.com under mrobertson68 for shops. And then I also, you can Google Antler spin tops and it'll take you to my site, or it'll take you to where I have them. Okay, so anyway, if you guys have any questions or comments, please post something for me. And if you want me to try something new, or try something even out of the Antler, I have a lot of it, I will do that. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay? Thanks for watching, and subscribe please. Thank you.